Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, your Houston, Texas area pressure washing and soft washing supply store. We're located right here in Porter, Texas, just right outside of Kingwood. And it's time for another Q&A, so I got a couple of questions I'm going to answer today. Been getting great feedback, text messages and emails. And also some great comments here on YouTube. So sounds like it's a hit, and I'm going to keep going with it. So hope it's helping you guys, and we'll get to the first question next. Okay, a couple months ago, Brian sent in an email. As a matter of fact, I think he came in and bought a reel. I've been checking out the Hannay and King's hose reels on your website. Which is best for soft wash? A reel that isn't a rust bucket, since 50-50 is a hot mix. So yeah, I do believe, Brian, you came in and bought one of the Valley Industries, but I basically answered him that for soft wash, both are going to be about the same. Kings come with stainless steel manifold. Hannay, we have to special order the stainless steel manifold. I have neither in stock, but can get Kings pretty quick. The Hannay takes a couple of weeks. I really like the Valley Industries hose reel for soft wash though. No manifold, and they outlast anything with stainless steel manifold. I have those in stock. So basically just know that when you're using any type of reel with a soft wash mix, like Brian mentioned, a 50-50 mix, you're gonna wanna have a stainless steel manifold. That's going to be best. But in any case, whether it's stainless steel or the regular carbon, metal, whatever, when you're running that strong of a bleach mix, it's going to eventually deteriorate that manifold, and so it'll start spraying out of it. And what most guys just do is eventually use the hose reel when that happens. You can get it repaired or buy a new one, but most guys just end up using the reel for storage only and stop spraying through the reel. I have always liked the Valley Industry reels for soft washing in particular, because there's no manifold inside the reel. You actually put your hose in through one hole and put it down to the other and just hose clamp it to a hose barb that then goes to the swivel. So I've always liked that reel. I've gotten years out of those without any issues. I don't even think I had a swivel go bad, but if the swivel went bad, they're very easy to replace. They have a nice little thumb lock on it that you can tighten down the brake on it so it doesn't free spin. And so whenever we get to a job, we would just always unloosen it so it comes off pretty easy. Then we roll it up, and once we roll it up for traveling purposes, we tighten the handbrake down on it, and it works great. Kings are excellent reels. They're probably better than a lot of the other name brand reels out there. We've sold a ton of those. They're a little behind now due to the fact that Titan is backed up, so everybody's going to Sprayer Depot and buying Titan reels, or they're buying them through us or whatever. We sell them for pretty much the same price that Sprayer Depot does, I believe. But and then Hannay, of course, have always been my favorite reel. They just outlast anything. Whenever I buy Hannay, I buy electric, and that's what we've got on our service body truck. I do not buy the stainless steel manifold, because I just have come to the realization that eventually, no matter what you get, the manifold's eventually going to go bad. And so I just run with it until it does, and then I just use the reel for storage. And because we always roll all of our hose off no matter what we're doing anyway, because I just feel when you're putting pressure, especially on a pressure hose reel, and it's spooled onto a reel, you're doing damage not only to the hose, but you're also doing eventually damage to the reel because of all that pressure going back and forth. So I've even seen some hubs of some cheaper reels just absolutely collapse because people didn't take them off. So, you know, if it was my choice for a soft wash reel, and I wasn't worried about matching 3 or 2 or whatever, I would definitely go with that Valley Industries. If not, I would go with the Kings reels for sure, or the Hannay. But the Kings has that stainless manifold, so you just got to be able to wait for those, though. All right. Hope that answered your question, Brian. I think I know it did, because I'm pretty sure you bought a reel. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Okay, I had a guy a few months ago, and I noticed I missed answering. He was asking what horsepower 12-volt pump for 3-story high soft wash. And Ronnie, I really like the Remco pumps. We sell Remco 12-volt pumps, and we also sell the Everflow bleach pumps. Matter of fact, I've got one of the Remcos here. Yeah, here it is. This is the Remco here. I've got it on our commercial trailer. I've been testing it out for several months. The key to it is make sure that you use bigger hose, 3/4 feet hose if you can, and 5/8 spray hose. And we use, I think, a 5.0 or 6.0 nozzle. Maybe it's I can't remember. But we get really, really good distance out of those. I like 12 volts. Used to not like them. I was always led to believe that the hose size did not matter, but the hose size that you're spraying with absolutely does matter. I've educated myself quite a bit on the 12 volts here, and we're making those available here pretty soon. We got some pretty cool little portable setups, some stationary setups, things like that we'll be coming out with. We're still kind of working in the design phase on that, but yeah, for 12 volt, I would definitely go with that Remco 100 psi, 7 gallon per minute. It's an excellent, excellent pump. I think they call it the Remco Fat Boy. I'm not sure, but great pump. And so hope that helped you. And thank you for commenting, and thank you for that question. Okay, guys, that's about it for today. I've got to get busy. Today is actually Sunday, and got some things to do. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Also, leave me a like or a comment, and subscribe, hit that bell so that you get notifications, all that kind of stuff. I get so tired of saying that. But I do appreciate y'all's interaction, and glad to be able to help you guys out anytime I can. I always remember my passion, man, is helping you new guys get started in this business. That's why I've had this school for 10 years, pressurecleaningschool.com/events. You can check out our schedule for hands-on training here, and then also the online school is on the website as well. That's an online video school with over 200-something videos on it. 10 years worth of education that you just can't beat. So thanks again for watching. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Good is the enemy of great. There isn't any reason why you can't take your good pressure washing business and turn it into a great exterior cleaning business.